In the past, trains were merely vehicles for human movement from one point to another. With the evolution of technology, trains have gained greater significance in our daily lives. What comes next? In the field of automotive technology, the products developed by NEXCOM offer comprehensive support. We keep moving forward to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving information landscape. The use of the internet has become more convenient and faster. With heightened security monitoring of additional connection points, we also employ more intelligent AI computing technology. Products developed by NEXCOM incorporate many key technologies. The modular application enhances machine scalability, enabling a significant competitive advantage in the automotive sector. High-quality products facilitate enhanced communication convenience, heightened security monitoring, and more intelligent driving experiences. Despite the accelerating pace of the world, we maintain our passion and mission to make human life better. Always moving forward.